Welcome to this presentation of the module Browsing, Searching and Filtering Data, Information and Digital Content, which is part of the Information and Data Literacy competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. Here you will find the contents for this module. We will begin with an introduction and address the learning objectives of this module. Then we will see more about the competence of browsing, searching and filtering data, information and digital content. Afterwards, we will see some great tools which will be of great help for this module. When you have a question about something, how often do you search about it on the internet? Now that online and hybrid classes have become a common practice, do you think that your students use search engines more for educational purposes? If that's the case, they need to browse properly, increasing positive results and decreasing negative, unuseful, or even harmful results. Traditionally, browsing, searching, and filtering are rarely addressed in the classroom. However, you can use digital tools to help students browse, search, and filter the internet, the choice of which is based on the information and data literacy competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. Here are the learning objectives of this module. You will learn to build an active rather than passive approach towards browsing, searching, and filtering. You will also learn how to reduce noise and exposure to inappropriate or harmful content and misleading or fake data and information. And you will learn how to help students implement best practices when browsing, searching, and filtering data, information, and digital content. What does it mean that the competence of browsing, searching, and filtering data, information, and digital content belongs to the competence area of information and data literacy? Data has both commercial and academic significance. At the same time, it also has a crucial part to play in every digital environment. This constitutes the reason why browsing, searching, and filtering have an academic and commercial impact, as this determines the authenticity and value of the data collected. You can browse, search, and filter data, information, and digital content properly by understanding how digital environments and tools react to the inputs of the user, and utilizing critical thinking to assess the output of the search results. Proficiency in browsing, searching, filtering data, information, and digital content can be measured by the level of understanding of how browsers and directories work, and the ability to make your own assessment along with the output of digital tools. Have you ever felt the frustration of losing your keys only to find them under your nose 20 minutes later? I am sure I am describing a familiar experience. The same can happen when searching for something on the internet. We often lose the most obvious clues because we simply do not use the tools we have at hand as needed to reduce the noise and redirect our focus to what truly matters. To search properly under our noses, we propose that you look at two very known tools, Google and Bing for browsing and searching, along with a third tool, NetSweeper, which minimizes noise when exploring the internet through the institution's internet access. Let's begin with Google. Google is so popular that people use it as a verb when they say that they want to search for something online. Anything that comes to mind is searchable on Google, and it might even give you the results you didn't know you needed. Google can offer advanced searching options to pinpoint your most difficult questions. You can get access to tons of image libraries in a single click, and on top of that, Google features a variety of products for file sharing, meetings, and productivity. To use image search, drag and drop an image and click search. As you can see, the results will vary, but they will be similar or somehow related. Google Advanced Search capabilities allow you to combine keywords in many ways to create a more accurate representation of your queries. You can also narrow down your results and give location data to your query, pinpoint the time of the day that it may have been uploaded, and find even about the format of the file you are searching for. Here, you can also find some other browsing tips to narrow down your focus in a different way. Now, the question is there any premium Google search tool for you to use? Not really. That's all there is to it. It's free to use. Moving on to Bing. Bing is a unique search engine developed by Microsoft. It is great at image search functionality, giving access to high-quality content and images. It has very effective criteria for video search as well. To access the official website of Bing, click on the link here. And on this slide, you will find some great browsing tips for Bing, so you can pause and take a look. Bing has a more personalized approach to how it uses content like photos and articles of recent news. The way that the layout is structured feels instantly like some kind of advanced image searching platform that organizes a set of tools like a navigation bar with alternatives, suggested categories that will refine your search, and more. Clicking on a picture instantly changes the environment with many suggestions underneath the main option, as well as an abundance of search customization options for you if you want to increase the specificity of your queries. Feel free to click on the toolbar options underneath the image to look for similar images with visual search or save the image and so on. Now, the question is when to upgrade Bing. Bing does not have a premium plan. It's free to use. Our last tool to talk about is NetSweeper. It's a great tool for filtering the web and creating a safe environment for students. It can help you tackle inappropriate behavior and cyberbullying as a result. NetSweeper provides solutions for educational premises, but what makes it even more unique is the fact that it can actually provide the same solutions remotely as well. NetSweeper provides a safe ecosystem for all students to explore the internet without encountering inappropriate content. It is a very unique service that is described by users as an umbrella of multiple solutions depending on the context of your problem needs. Think of it as a tool that filters traffic from both browsers and apps, doesn't need VPN assistance from your school's private network, and all of its filtering capabilities are performed on the device itself without the use of other tools to assist with that process. That makes it easier to use throughout the day since it doesn't demand a lot of technical intervening from your IT department. By communicating your problem needs to NetSweeper properly, you will have a tailor-made web filtering service for your school that determines what is right and what is wrong automatically for every user, teachers, and students alike. It is also capable of detecting red flag situations within your network. That means that if a situation escalates online for your students, you can set boundaries to their conversations in order to de-escalate the tension. Cyberbullying is part of the problematic space NetSweeper attempts to solve by control of strong language in all platforms. So now the question is, what are the plans available for NetSweeper? It works with requests only because the solutions are tailor-made, so you can contact the NetSweeper team and get a demo first. We hope that these digital tools help with your browsing experience and results. Thank you so much for your attention.